Hi guys! Welcome back to Creative Creations. I know it's been a long time since I posted my last video once again, and especially today as it's an Easter video and Easter has already passed. But I still wanted to post it because I'm very excited about this new idea I came up with. Remember to leave any comments below and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get started on making these DIY scratch-off Easter eggs. Things you will need to make these super cool scratch-off Easter eggs are a hard-boiled egg, some pencil crayons, black paint, a paintbrush, Mod Podge, and some dish soap. First, choose 4 to 5 pencil crayons in the color of your choice. Then take your hard-boiled egg and color patches all the way around your egg with one of your pencil crayons. Once complete, it should look something like this. Repeat this step with each of your colors until the egg is completely covered. Once done, it should end up looking something like this. Next, use your paintbrush to apply a thin coat of Mod Podge onto your egg, being careful not to smudge the colors. Let it dry completely, then repeat this step again 2 more times. Next, mix together some black paint with 2 times the amount of dish soap and paint your entire egg black. Let it dry completely and repeat this step if needed. Finally, use the end of a toothpick or a dotting tool and have fun scratching out your design. And that's it! So thank you for watching this video. Please remember to leave any comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated with all of my latest tutorials. I hope you come back to see my next video. Bye!